Hi everyone, hope all of you are fine and doing well in this pandemic time. Myself, Chinmoy Chakraborty, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering at Mallabhum Institute of Technology, Bishnupur. Today, I will discuss a topic which is hybrid electric vehicle. Now, what is hybrid vehicle? Now, when the term hybrid comes, it means that combination of one or two or maybe more. Similarly, in this case, when we use two or more power sources in a vehicle that called hybrid electric vehicle. So, it not only depends on the battery but also on an internal combustion engine. Next topic is the type of hybrid vehicles. In general, the hybrid electric vehicle is categorized mainly by series hybrid and the other one is parallel hybrid. Now, coming to the detail of hybrid types one by one. First, series hybrid. It is similar to the electric vehicle with a extra generator, and the vehicle runs on battery power until the battery reaches its level of discharge. When the battery reaches this discharge value, at that moment alternate power source or APU begin to recharging the battery, but it never directly powers the vehicle. And the duration of the on time of APU depends on the size of the batteries and APU itself. Hence, the fuel economy is increased and emissions are reduced compared to the pure internal combustion engine. This is the block diagram of the series hybrid powertrain which operations already we discussed. Now let's come to the detail of parallel hybrid. Here, fuel tank is supply the fuel to run the engine for delivering the power. Similarly, sets of batteries also supply the power to the electrical motor, which means both the engine and motor can turn the transmission at the same time and transmission turn the wheels. Coming to the APU operation, when APU is on, the controller divides the energy between the drivetrain and batteries. But when the APU is off, the parallel hybrid runs like an electrical vehicle. More power is allocated to the drivetrain than the battery under accelerating mode, while the more power is allocated to the battery when the speed is low or ideal conditions. This is the block diagram of the parallel hybrid powertrain which we already discussed. Now discussed some mileage tips. First point is slow drive. Obviously, if you drive slowly, then aerodynamic drag or resistive force acting on the vehicle will be minimum, so mileage will be in the higher side. Second point is the constant speed. It's a common case for all the vehicle that if you maintain a constant speed, your mileage is in the higher side for sure. Last point is avoid abrupt stops. That is also most important point for this type of vehicle, as when you try to stop the car, the electric motor present in the hybrid vehicle acts as a generator and take out some of the energy from the car while slowing it down. If you give more time to stop, it will recover more energy, but for frequent stop, brakes on the car will do most of the work, hence the energy will be wasted. So it can be concluded that by using this, we can get better efficiency as well as lesser pollution to the environment, and if the proper research and development is done on this field, it promises a practical, efficient and low pollution vehicle for coming era for sure. Also, These concepts in today's energy deficit world are definitely important and very useful. At last, thank you everyone for watching, liking and sharing this video.